Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, September 19th, 2023. It is 3:37 and 20 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, brain tumors. So let's hop to it here. New research signals a quantum leap for brain tumor treatment. Date September 14th, 2023. Source: University of Nottingham. The researchers have discovered a new way to target and kill cancer cells in hard-to-treat brain tumors using electrically charged molecules to trigger self-destruction that can be developed into a spray treatment used during surgery. The scientific investigators and microbiologists found a new way to harness the extraordinary capabilities of bio-nanoantennae, gold nanoparticles intricately coated with specialized redox active molecules to induce programmed cell death or apoptosis in cancer cells on electrical stimulation. The research focuses on patient-derived glioblastoma cells, the elusive formidable form of brain cancer that has long evaded effective treatment. The 5-year survival rate for glioblastoma is only 6.8%, and the average length if survival for patients is estimated to be only 8 months from diagnosis. The bio-nanoantennae were able to specifically target glioblastoma cells, leaving healthy cells unscathed. This unprecedented level of precision opens up new possibility for developing treatment for glioblastoma during surgical resection of the tumor, when the bio-nanoantennae would be sprayed or injected. The team showed that cancer cells succumb to the intricate dance of electrons orchestrated by the enchanting world of quantum biology. With the advent of bio-nanoantennae, this vision of real-world quantum therapies edged closer to reality by precisely modulating quantum biological electron tunneling. These ingenious nanoparticles create a symphony of electrical signals that trigger the cancer cell's natural self-destruction mechanism. And furthermore, treating glioblastoma tumors has long presented challenges for clinicians and prognosis for patients is still poor, which is why any research showing the promise of a new effective treatment is hugely exciting. And this research has shown the possibilities presented by quantum therapeutics as a new technology to communicate with biology. The fusion of quantum bioelectronics and medicine brings us one step closer to a new treatment paradigm for disease. And this is the Professor, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoy listening. Until next time, have a great day.